Alright guys, I had to get a piece of angle iron, spread it across there. I made a little piece of goddammit to fit in there. And now, I got my jack up on there, pumping against there. Like, just what a shit show. All because someone doesn't know how to fucking oil a goddamn machine. Unbelievable. And this wasn't the only spot. Up here was a spot too. So, I think I'm gonna have to turn this thing all the way apart and just make sure it's good. But so I pumped that. I got the way to break free there a little bit, but now I gotta pump it back up a little bit on the bottom. Man, once we get this thing to move a couple inches, we'll be in good shape. But till then, holy shit! What a nightmare. I mean, a fucking nightmare. Ah, I hate people. More and more I think about it. Yep, fucking hate them. I shouldn't say that. I don't hate all people. Just the useless fuckers. Fuck, man. It's unbelievable. Can't even believe it. So now I gotta figure out, I got that way to move this much, which is a lot compared to where we were at. So it's like almost flush with this top here. But now I gotta figure out I might have to cut this, but I wonder if I can just use, this is what I was using. Bet I can. Gotta cut it down a little bit. Oh yeah, right about there works. It's unbelievable. The shit you gotta do. I got all these little scrap pieces and this and that. So, prop that like that. Put this back under there. We gotta get our jack back up top. Ugh. I'm gonna leave this down so you guys can see what's going on here. Well, I'll put it up here. Kinda. At least it's coming. Hopefully I don't have to put this back down below. Alright, so now I'm gonna go down here. We're gonna make sure this piece is in place. We're just gonna jack down on this. Oh. And that's how she goes. Good thing my fingers weren't in there. Holy fuck. So guys, that was exciting. All of that because of the way. I should have had it connected to this, but I never thought it was gonna let loose like that. But then again, I've never done this before either, so now you might as well watch the rest. We're gonna take this, all because of this thing and that way right here. You can see how it's broke off. It got broken. I don't feel like grabbing my strap. So we're just gonna go like this. I got a billion tools out here just for that. Smokes. I'm gonna put this little chain back in there. I'm going all the way around down there. I'm not putting it on that little eye. If I had a strap, I would, but I don't have a strap in here right now. I'm not looking for one, because that just took me forever and a day. Oh, that sucker really fell down, eh? And that's because freaking heavy. Dirty as shit. These days when you make the hydraulic, look at how loose that is now. Just get it out. Look at the rust on that thing. Holy moly. Can we get it out? Here it comes. Look at there. We got it. Someone put grease in there. Look at the rust. I'm thinking 90% of the problem was someone put grease in there. See now, that thing broke off. So I don't know if I'll be able to reuse this or not, but maybe. We'll try. All that for that. Holy smokes! Wow. Shut this welder off now. Oh man. Look at all the tools I got. I'll show you when we're done here. No, this can go straight up and off. I just gotta turn this turret back. Wow. The feeling you get when something's done and you can kind of, I still gotta get that screw out of there, but it feels good to accomplish things like that, you know? Holy smokes. We'll be able to clean this baby up. We'll be able to make something useful. Fix things. All of it. Now you're supposed to take out a bolt that's right here, but it's missing, so. I was going to use the skid steer to lift this out, but I seen a guy in a video doing it like this, so I said, well, I got one at home. You see this thing up here is broke too. There's a lot of broken pieces on here, but hello. Will it stay? I don't think so, unless I prop it up there. This all gotta come off too, because I got some issues up in there too as well. But I'm so glad that is over with. This thing is heavy. Mainly I just want to clean it, you know? Jeez. Everything felt pretty tight. I mean, I had some slop, but you can't adjust anything when it's all full of grease and stuck. I got whey oil and all the right stuff to take care of this. All my drill bits will be for home. Man, that could have crushed my hand big time. This got to be 500 pounds, I bet. I don't know, something like that, 300 maybe. There we go, guys. Oh. Thanks for watching. I gotta clean this mess up.